Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Southern Coastal Highway. It's under construction and this highway is going to connect Harborview to Port Antonio. So it's going to go through the parishes of St. Andrew, St. Thomas and Portland. Now this is the largest road project the government has on the way right now. It's going to cost about $59 billion to build this highway. And it's going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway all the way. Very nice road. It's going to be similar to the Northern Coastal, the Edward Seaga Highway or the PJ Patterson Highway. And the contractor is China Harbor Engineering Company, and they have built some other highways. They built the North-South Highway, Lega Highway 2000 in Jamaica. And the project is being financed by the China Exim Bank and the government of Jamaica. And this project falls under the Ministry of Economic Growth, and the agency is the National Works Agency. They are in charge of this project. The National Works Agency is now in the Ministry of Economic Growth and not the Ministry of Transport and Mining. Now this road is not going to be a toll road, so that's why the NWA is in charge of it. The toll roads like Highway 2000, they fall under a different agency, not the NWA. So this highway will take you from basically Kingston, Harborview to Port Antonio, and then in Port Antonio you connect to the Northern Coastal Highway that takes you from Port Antonio all along the north coast back to Negril. This project is, I think they said, about 70%, between 60 and 70% complete. And this section that we're driving on will be the section between Kingston or Harborview and the Yalos. The road is being built in phases, but the entire project, the entire highway, should be finished in 2025. Now there are sections of the highway that are finished now that you can drive on, and we actually have videos up of the finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway. Okay, so straight ahead is the bridge. We're at the other side of this bridge right before we made this video, and that bridge is actually in Bulby in the parish of St Andrews, right at the border of where you would enter St Thomas. And I think this is where the actual highway starts. And wow, to drive from where we were down to this bridge took no time, but to drive on the other road is quite a drive. Because I saw the houses on the left and I was wondering, how did people get to those houses? Because this road was just built recently, but this is actually Bulby straight in front of us. So now I get it. So the actual highway falls under the Southern Coastal Improvement Project. That's where the Southern Coastal Highway is being built from that project. But the Southern Coastal Improvement Project also includes other roads being built separate from the highway. So from a point in Harborview to Bulby, you're going to have that road that's going to be 4 lanes. And then that road will lead into the highway and you access the highway here, which is actually in Bulby. And just on the outskirts of St. Thomas in St. Andrew. Okay. We're not going to go on this bridge. We're just going to go up to the bridge because when you access the bridge from the other side, it doesn't look like that part is complete. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.